To fully express ourselves, we need better precision and more space. This is free, and it takes you way beyond the screen. With free, you can write or draw on nearly any surface, and your words or pictures will appear on your screen instantly. Free brings us back to a more direct interaction with the world around us, in part by freeing us to use one of our most personal skills, handwriting. Free's sophisticated optical tracking engine can trace anyone's handwriting on nearly any surface to an incredible level of accuracy. There has never been anything like it.
Give us a minute, Mitch.
Our OTM sensor includes a miniature laser, which sends a collimated beam to the surface. Reflections from the surface combined with internal reflections to give us some motion signals.
In fact, we invented the world's smallest three-dimensional laser interferometer.
That is truly amazing. But let me take it from here. Free is all about minimizing whatever stands in the way of your creative energy. It's got a mini touch display for notifications, lets you reply instantly, and even doubles as a headset to take phone calls.
Hi, Michael.
Write yourself a note the second you think of it. Jot down a phone number or doodle your next brainchild. Your thoughts and ideas are captured instantly on your device. Free lets you use all of your screen, turning your mobile phone into an incredibly comfortable and efficient mobile creative station. And best of all, Free is personal. So personal, it can even use your handwriting as a highly sophisticated form of biometric identification, making it much harder for someone to steal your identity.
Free is a minimal and classic design with a unique ergonomic shape so that the touch display naturally faces you and you can simply select different functions.
We also have an open platform, so developers can create exciting new applications.
Together, we can change the way we interact with the digital world for everyone.
We put thousands of hours developing our motion tracking engine, and now we need your support to build the coolest mobile input device.
It's quick, it's convenient, it's familiar and personal. It's free.
TravelMate is a robot companion like no other. It's the first fully autonomous suitcase that can go anywhere. You can use it when you're going to work, when traveling, or in any other situation wherein you'd otherwise be carrying your stuff with you. If you look at the evolution of mobile phones, they started out with a singular function, and now we have smartphones that have thousands of capabilities. We want to bring the same type of innovation to suitcases. Thanks to integrated dynamically learning artificial intelligence and advanced movement features, the TravelMate suitcase can handle large crowds and complicated situations with ease. It doesn't need any extra peripherals and has fully autonomous vertical and horizontal driving modes. TravelMate has a powerful electric motor, which is nonetheless whisper quiet. When in horizontal mode, you can add other suitcases or items on top, and TravelMate will carry them for you. This suitcase has an innovative movement system that utilizes Omni wheels to turn effortlessly. It can come to a full stop and turn 360 degrees seamlessly. Omni wheels allow the TravelMate to make tiny adjustments that allow precision on-the-fly adjustments. This is especially useful for avoiding unexpected objects or people who happen to run past the suitcase. TravelMate has turn indicators and sensors that show up when stopping or accelerating. You can adjust a variety of other features with our app, which is easy to use and intuitive. And since all of our software will be open source, it will be open to user mods, which have the potential to create new features altogether. It can also provide auditory cues if you choose to enable them via the TravelMate smartphone app. You can choose your suitcase's LED lighting color and control it directly through the TravelMate smartphone application. TravelMate is fully compliant with TSA regulations and has a removable battery which you can use to charge your electronics. In continuous autonomous use, we anticipate a battery charge of 4 hours. TravelMate also has a variety of smart suitcase features in all models. These features include an integrated scale, which shows you the weight of your luggage, a separate easy access compartment for electronics and laptops, and a smart lock system. You never have to worry about losing your suitcase, because the TravelMate comes with a GPS chip, which which will show you the location of your items at all times via our smartphone app. TravelMate is the first autonomous suitcase and robot companion that's suitable for use almost anywhere. Right now on our crowdfunding page, we're offering the TravelMate suitcase at a starting price of $399. By supporting our project, you're getting an awesome suitcase and, at the same time, you help advance this type of technology.
The iPhone is the perfect camera. It's always with you to take great photos of life's greatest moments. But with so many great moments to capture, sometimes we run out of storage. But there's a better way. Introducing iClips Duo Plus, the perfect way to expand the storage of your iPhone. With a Lightning connector on one side and a USB on the other, you can easily move files between your iPhone, iPad, Mac, and PC. It's new design that allows you to easily swivel and use with one hand. And the new design of the Lightning connector means it can be used with any case, even thick waterproof ones. The powerful iClips app is where you manage all this. You can back up your photos, contacts, calendar, or even social media. It's a way to break out of cloud storage plans. Whether you're abroad or just don't have service, you don't need to rely on an internet connection to make some room. It has faster transfer speeds that don't use data, and whenever you want, you can always back up your iClips to services like Dropbox or Google Drive. All this without a subscription, without data. Free yourself with iClips Duo Plus.
Hello Indiegogo, my name's Peter Treadway and I am CTO and co-founder at Acton. Acton is a company that designs and manufactures personal transportation. We are introducing a longboard, the likes of which the world has never seen. Carbon fiber, pressure cast aluminum, extruded aluminum, CNC cut. We are using 4 hub motors. All-wheel drive, people. All-wheel drive. The one that will get you up most of the steepest hills in America and around the world. But wait, there's more. If you're looking for something a little more affordable, we got you. We have 2 more models, what we call the Blink S and the Blink S2. It's a different construction than the Quattro. It's made of wood, but it has an aluminum extrusion along the bottom and an aluminum plate on top to kind of sandwich the batteries inside of the deck. So there's actually a hole that goes clear through it. The S2 version of this board is a little bit longer than the S, and that's because it has the extra motor, it goes a little faster and just needs to be a little longer for more stability. So, you get to choose from 3 boards. You get the Quattro, or the Blink S, or the Blink S2.
Measuring tapes help us measure distances and the dimensions of different objects. But a measuring tape doesn't work in every situation. Why isn't there a single tool that lets us measure everything? Now, there is. Introducing Bagel, the smart tape measure. Bagel lets you measure just about anything, at home and at work. Bagel has 3 different modes: string mode, wheel mode, and remote mode. String mode is great for measuring straight lines, curves, and around corners. Wheel mode lets you measure irregular or odd-shaped objects. And it also makes taking measurements with one hand much easier. Remote mode lets you measure objects that are far away and out of your reach. After you're done measuring, you'll need a way to record your measurements. Using pen and paper can be a real hassle. With Bagel, you can quickly and easily save your measurements with voice descriptions. Just take your measurement, push the Save button, and then tag a voice memo to it.
Door of the Future Radar.
When you're done, Bagel will send your measurements to Bagel's mobile app via Bluetooth. This mobile application lets you review your saved measurements and share them with your friends. Bagel is precise. It uses our patented technology to make sure you always get an accurate measurement. Also, Bagel has an easy-to-read digital display that's viewable in most lighting conditions.